Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to leave aliens in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and leave aliens in Last Asylum Plague. So open the game and tap on the aliens button in the bottom of the screen. I'm not in the aliens in the moment because I'm having some problems with my account, but if you are, you will see it at the bottom of the screen. Then go to the Members or Manage tab. The exact name may vary by game version, and tap Leave Aliens. Confirm your choice, and that's that. If you cannot leave the aliens, if you're aliens leader, you need to transfer the leadership to another member before you can leave. Some aliens' activities or events may temporarily prevent you from leaving until the end. If the Leave Aliens button does not appear, make sure you completed the game's tutorial and have full access to the aliens menu. What happens after leaving? Well, you immediately lose all access to aliens chat, gifts, and everything, and you can join another aliens, of course, instantly. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.